Hello and welcome back to Paputech. It's been a while, but there's nothing like being stuck in a flat for a few weeks to make one think about a YouTube channel. So, I have a project in hand and I thought it might be of interest to some viewers if I talk through what I was up to. What I'm intending to do over the next few videos is put together a home theatre PC. Now there's a few of these available on the internet, the YouTube, with the builds. A lot of those focus on large amounts of storage or NAS systems and downloading of series and TVs. My intention's a little bit different. I'm wanting, because I'm outside of the UK where I've got stuck, I'm wanting to be able to use a PC and VPN to be able to access either the UK or the United States to watch online programming. My specific focus is going to be on the UK so that I can get UK Netflix, UK Amazon Prime Now Video, Disney Plus, BBC iPlayer, and so on. So the first stage of this video is going to be talking through the hardware. Then the next video I'll put the PC together, hopefully. It's a ITX build, which I haven't done before. And then the final part will be putting on the software and seeing if it actually works. So hopefully this is of interest. I'm sure there's a few people in a similar boat, desperately trying to get some online access. Let's start off on the right with the case. I want an ITX build, I want a small case, I want silence from this build, and I'm hoping just to be able to hide it away underneath the TV. So I've chosen a Silverstone case, Raven RVZ02. Hopefully that will take everything I've got for it. The motherboard, I'm using an ASRock Z390M ITX build, and I'm going to install on that an Intel i5, which the i5-9400, which includes graphics, so I'm not going to put in a graphic card. For the fan, I've got a low profile cooler for two reasons. One, because I hope it's going to be silent, and secondly, because it's hopefully going to fit inside the case. So I've got a Noctua NH-L9i, an L-type low profile cooler. I'm going to power this with a 450 watt SF450 from Corsair, again hoping desperately that it's going to fit in the case and that it's got more than enough power to run quietly. For RAM, I've gone for Corsair again. I've got two 8 sticks, so 16 gigabytes of DDR4, quite slow RAM, 2666 megahertz. I'm not looking for speed particularly. This is for online streaming. I'm not planning gaming or anything else. Finally, for storage, I've got a WD Blue solid state drive, M22280. It's not NVMe. I don't think I need the speed. I wanted the M2 stick for the case, so I could just stick it onto the motherboard and not worry about any cabling problems or anything else. Finally, at the bottom, I've got the Logitech K400 Plus wireless keyboard and trackpad, which I've been using for a couple of weeks already to see how it works. It works well, although the trackpad, in my humble opinion, goes the wrong way when you're scrolling up and down. But that's how initially I'm intending to run the computer. If everything goes well, then I'll look at a wireless mouse controller in the future. So that's everything. That's the hardware. Hopefully I'm going to be able to put it together in the next video. I hope this is of interest, and please stay tuned. Thumbs up if you think this is going to be fun. Stay safe, everybody.